everyone and welcome back to the Conflict for a very long time. Okay, so in this video we'll be dealing with first of all I'll be telling you a funda for LRDI. One of the fundas, there are many, but one most important funda, and later on we'll be using that funda to solve this set of seating arrangement. Okay, so let's start. Here's the funda. The funda for LRDI is never run away from. From what? The question this is. So the answer to this is, you can make guesses. So the answer to this is never run away from cases. While solving LRD assets, you have to, there will be many times where you have to make cases while solving the set, and believe me, they're very important. You must like, for example, if I take the question is, H is seated, there are four persons seated over in the arrangement, linear arrangement, and H is sitting at one of the extreme ends. So for this, what you should ideally do is like you should make management, you should take H over here, and immediately parallel to this you should take another case of seating H to the other case, and now using the points you should jot down in both the cases and start doing, and later on it is possible that one of cases may eliminate or may not accordingly it will be. So what this will do is like if you do it like that manually only, without making cases, like you'll place H over here and you'll place H over here, then lots of hodgepodge A and O, and like you will, if you like you write AHA, then this, you'll get confused ultimately. But if you make cases, you will write like this. The advantage of this will be the like easy to solve, won't be much hodgepodge, no confusion and all. Okay, so let's start. This is the set. You can pause the video and give it a try. I'm pausing for a second as well. Okay, now let me show you the questions as well. These are the questions. Okay, more questions were there, but I did not take them. Okay, so in arrangement set, it is possible many a times that there are that their cases will be made. So you have to big answer of based on the cases. Okay, but what you spot in over here is that you can see that no option is of CBD. Okay, one thing whenever you see an arrangement set, you should spot this. Okay, there is no option of CBD, neither over here, neither over here, neither over here. So it is possible that after making like 4 to 5 cases, and ultimately at the end all cases will be discarded due to some or the other reasons, and there will be just one arrangement left, and that you will answer is that. Okay, now let's begin the set. Enough of fundas and all. Okay, 8 persons, this is this, are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Okay, each of them likes different vegetables among this. Each person belong to different age different group, yeah, but not 4 and 40. Okay, so this point can be noted down. Each person belong to 4 to 40 successive multiples of 4, but not 4 and 40. Okay, so the ages will be 8, can't be 4, so 8, 12, 16, simply 4 का table लिखना, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 not possible because exclusive of 4 and 40. So this point we have done. The person likes tomato is third to the right of the person who likes onion. Okay, so let first point. 8 people are there, so how we'll make? Just take the first person here, then diagonally over here 2, then here 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. Okay. The one who likes point. The person likes tomato is third to the right of the person who likes onion. So tomato is third to the right. So we take onion over here, onion over here. Tomato will be first to the right. Second tomatoes will be right over here. Okay. So write Tom over here. Okay. This point. Uh, who is an immediate right of 32? So who is means onion. Who is, this is for this person, onion is immediate right of 32. So onion is immediate right of 32. So the guy aged 32 is right over here. Immediate right is onion, 32 immediate right. Okay, this point is done. We have utilized this point. Only two people are sitting between J and the one who is 32 years old. Okay, so 32 years, J can only 2% between J and 32. So one person over here, second person over here. So J can be here. But parallel to this, 32 over here, one person over here, one person. So J can be here as well. So we'll write down here only, isn't it? No, we want to be right. We won't write out here. as told that it will be a lot of chaos if we write over here hodgepodge, so we'll make a separate keys. One more important I'll be telling right now. Okay, this is like completely feasible from the exam point of view as well. तुम copy पे ऐसे लिख सकते हो, you can write like one case यहाँ ले लो, एक case यहाँ ले लो. So in that वैसे ही कर ही रहा हूँ मैं कि like you can do in exam as well. 32 over here, onion right over here. Okay, so may choose right over here and J will be right over here. Okay, this point is done. G is 20 years old, likes pumpkin, is second to the right of J. J is over right over here, first to the right, second to the right. So J will be right over here and will be 20, and he or she will like pumpkin. J over here, first to the right, second to the right. G 20, G 20, pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin. This point is usually A and F likes corn and radish respectively. Okay, and are immediate neighbor of each other. Okay, so which means that A and F will be in this order or in that order anywhere. Okay. Now let's use this point. In this arrangement, now we have already divided into two cases and we'll place A and F accordingly. Now see where we can place A and F. A likes corn and F likes radish. Okay, so A and F, where are the vacant spots? Can we place A over here? Okay, okay. So before this, like और cases बनेंगे. Well, first of all, like let's use some more points. Okay, exit. Okay, ये तो बहुत सारे cases बनेंगे. ठीक. H is third to the right, linked to the same point. हाँ, yeah, this point. You can use this point. H is third to the right of A and is 16 years older than A. Okay. So H और A की ages spot करते हैं. ठीक है. So if for example difference between H and A is 16. So for example if we take A as 8. Okay. We'll take A as 8. We'll place A. So H will be 16 at 24. Okay, but one point is given over here is that the one likes potato is the youngest in the group. So A is 8 means A is the youngest, and according to the point he should like potatoes, but what actually he likes is onion. Oh, sorry, corn. A likes corn. So A being 8 isn't possible. A being 8 isn't possible. Now let's next point is we take A as 12. Okay, so we take A as 12, then H will be 16, 12, 28. Okay, H will be 16, 12, 28. Isn't it? This is the difference. Okay, so okay, this point is possible. It does not contradict any of the point. Now, if we take H as A as 16, A as 16, so H will be 32. So okay, this case is also possible, but what it will do this is like show H, if we take this case, then H will be over here and H will be over here. Okay, and what it is given over here is that H is third to the right of A. Okay, so H is third to the right of A. So so means A is third to the left. So H is here, first to the left, second to the left, third to the left. So A will be here, which isn't possible. So this case is discarded. Okay, so H and A can't be seated. Can't be seated here. Okay, now let's take this case. H is over here, so first to the left, second to the left, third to the left. So A will be here, which isn't possible again. So A can't be 16 as well. Okay, now if we take A as 20, let me erase this as well. Now if we take A as 20, but A 20 isn't possible because G is 20. Now if we take A as 24, so H will be 40. It isn't possible because 40 is our option नहीं है. So only option is A is 12 and H is 28. Okay, this point we have used. Okay, now so इतना यूज हो गया हमारा. इस देंगे स्टार्ट. ठीक है, लेट्स प्लेस A and F. Okay, so A and F, where can we place them? Okay, if we can we place AF over here? No, not possible, because if we take A or F, anyone over here, say we take A over here, so F will be either here. Here it isn't possible because already J is present. So F we take over here, but isn't possible because F likes radish, but here the guy sitting over here likes onion. So isn't possible. Taking A or F over here isn't possible. And anywhere else, we can't take here as well. We can't take here as well because the age of A is 12. So the other option which remains to us is here. We take A over here, F over here. But one more case is possible, that F comes over here and A comes over here. So in this, we will make another case. Okay. Now, what I told you that I will tell you. So this is the sub case of this case, isn't it? This case का सब केस ये है, तो just इसके नीचे इसको प्लॉट करो, और वैसे ही इसके सब केस जस्ट इसके नीचे प्लॉट करना, ठीक ऐसे 8 पीपल है, ठीक है। अब इस बार हमने ए को यहाँ ले लिया, एफ को यहाँ ले लिया, ठीक है। यहाँ 32 यहाँ टॉम, यहाँ G20 पम्पकिन पम्पकिन जे ओवर हियर, ठीक है। अनियन ओवर हियर, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है। ओके, सो ए एफ यहाँ हो गया, अनियन जी होगा, ठीक है। सो ए एफ वेयर पॉसिबल एंड ए लाइक्स कॉर्न एंड एफ लाइक्स radish. Okay, age of A is 12, F की भी डोंट, और वन मोर पॉइंट वाज गिवन। चलो इसमें भी वो ए एफ वाला देख लेते हैं, ठीक है। इसमें सेम उसी ग्राउंड्स पे ए एफ यहाँ नहीं आ सकते, ए एफ यहाँ नहीं आ सकते, यहाँ तो आ ही नहीं सकते, तो ए एफ के लिए पॉसिबिलिटी ये यहाँ ले लो, इससे पहले लाइन ड्रॉ कर लो। वी टेक ए ओवर हियर, वी टेक एफ ओवर हियर, यहाँ तो आ नहीं सकते, लाइक एफ यहाँ लोगे तो वो टोमेटो लाइक करेगा, which isn't possible because it likes radish. ओके, यहाँ यहाँ लाइन खींच दो, हाँ यहाँ, ओके। 32 over here, 32 over here, so A is here, so in this case A will be here and F will be here. Tomato, J over here, G over here, 20 over here and pumpkin right over here. Okay, now और कुछ जॉट करना रहेगा, हाँ अनियन रह गया, तो राइट अनियन, हाँ A likes corn, age of A is 12, F likes radish, A likes corn, age of A is 12, F is radish. Okay, कौन सी यूज हो गया, और इमीडिएट नेबर लाइक्स, ठीक है। H is third to the right of A, ये पॉइंट रह गया, H is third to the right of A, so H can be over here, first to the right, second to the right, third to the right, H is over here and the age is 28. A is over here, first to the right, second to the right, third to the right, so H is over here and age is 28. Here A is here, first to the right, second to the right, third to the right, so H will be here, but here J is already sitting over here, so this case is discarded. So एग्जाम में सिंपली ऐसे जैसे आए केस तुरंत यहाँ क्रॉस मार दो, इस केस पे काम ही नहीं करना है, ठीक है। A is over here, first to the right, second to the right, third to the right, so H will be right over here, H will be here and his age will be 28. Okay, इस पॉइंट का भी यूज हो गया। The one likes potato is the youngest in the group, so 8 will be youngest. The youngest and the older person in the group are immediate neighbor of each other. Okay, so 8 and 36 will be seated together. And one more point, the oldest person does not like tomatoes and beetroot. Only 3% between B and K, who is 16 years old. Okay, so the age of K is 16 years old. 3% between them, B and K. B and K के बीच में only 30%, 3%. So B and K के बीच में 3%. Like for example, if we take B over here, so 1, 2, 3, only 3%, which इसका मतलब कि they will be diagonally opposite. Okay. ओके, तो इससे हमारा बहुत बड़ा काम हुआ कि बी एंड के विल बी डायरेक्टली ऑपोजिट। देखो कहाँ कहाँ आ सकते हैं, यहाँ पे बी के आ सकते हैं, ठीक है। बी यहाँ ले लो, फिर के यहाँ, ओनली पॉसिबल बी के लिए यही होगा, बी के। यहाँ पे हम वो ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, बी के बिकॉज और कहीं पॉसिबल ही नहीं, ऑलरेडी यहाँ सीटेड है ए, ठीक है। अब हमारे पास बचा कौन सा, ए, कौन कौन है हमारे पास पर्सन, ए एस बी एफ जी एच जे के, एस बच रहा है क्या, एस यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। ओके, इन दिस केस एस विल बी सीटेड ओवर हियर, Now diagonally opposite, only spot diagonally opposite यहाँ पे है, तो B और K, oh sorry, एक पॉइंट तो और मैं यूज करने ही भूल गया यहाँ पे. So one more point, that K is 16 over 16 years old, isn't it? K is 16 years old means B and K are sitting in this order. B and K are sitting diagonally opposite. So K can't come over here. So here only B will remain. So here B will be seated. And on the same, here B will be seated and K will be here. And the age of K will be 16. Similarly here also B will be seated. K can't come because K is 16 years old. And K will be right over here and his age will be 16. Similarly here, यहाँ पे भी कोई diagonal के लिए हमारे पास only spot is this, so B will be over here 16 and sorry K and 16 will be his age. Okay, now one point was that the youngest likes tomatoes and is the youngest person and the oldest person are immediate neighbor and likes tomatoes. Okay, ठीक है. J is not the oldest. Okay, so J is not the oldest. Okay, and the age of A we know that it is 12. Corn and he is 12. So now we don't have spot. Do we have any spot? Oldest card come over here, so J can be 8. Okay, so if you take J as 8, youngest, and he likes potatoes. Okay, so J will like potatoes, 8 years, and here the one will be the one sitting will be of the age 36. And who will he be? He will be S. S only remains. Okay, S will be seated over here. This case is already discarded, and here we have S. Okay. Okay. So this is the arrangement. We got three arrangement. Okay, let's use more points and we'll eliminate cases. J is not the oldest. Only 3% between. ठीक है. Oldest person does not like tomatoes and beetroot. Okay. Immediate neighbor, the one less potato is the youngest in the group. अच्छा. Potato is the youngest. Okay. J8 यहाँ हो गया. अब यहाँ पे. Where can we place 8 and 36? They can't be placed anywhere over here. They can't be placed here as well. यहाँ पे भी नहीं आ सकते. यहाँ 12 है, यहाँ 16 है, and here F is already and he likes. So this case is again discarded because we can't place the potato and the oldest guy, the guy who's the oldest, because potato is 8 years old. So where are we? Here already 12 years is sitting, here 16 years, here 28 years is 20 years, here 32 years. So potato can come any place over here, but isn't possible because here radish here on here. So this case is discarded again. Okay, now we are left with these two cases just. Okay, now again let's place potatoes. Here the one is 28, here is 32, here is 12, here is 20, and here is 16. Again we don't have any spot where we can place 8 and 36 together, because you can see that यहाँ पे 12 है, यहाँ कोई नहीं. So again 8 and 36 cannot be seated anywhere together. So this case is also gone. So we can spot that three cases are gone. Only we are left with just one case. Okay. S36. Okay, so he does not like beetroot also, so he will like he will like corn. A. F will like radish. So what he will like, uh, we are left with lettuce and beetroot. So he can't like beetroot, so he will like lettuce, and here it will be beetroot. Ages we are done. 12 over here. Okay, 32 over here, 8 over here, 16 over here, 20 over here. Only 24 is left, so F will be 24 years old, and 28 over here. So we are done with the arrangement. With these three cases gone, you can see that कितना chaos create हो गया. अलग अलग करने पे भी एक साथ करते तो I don't think so कि वो possible भी हो पाता करना. So this is our final arrangement. वो थोड़ा mouse से लिखने में थोड़ा गलती हो गया. Copy पे you'll write in neat handwriting so you can easily spot. Okay, let's begin from the question. Who sits exactly between B and the second youngest? Second youngest will be 8, 12. 12 and B when counted from the right hand side. Okay, so this is I think B and 12. So F sits, this is second youngest, counted from the right. So F radish 24. Okay, so F radish 24. So F is the answer to this. What is the position of 12 years old with respect to 16 years old. अब इसमें like many times people get confused that what to answer. So what you do is you just have to place the option and that you have to answer. Like you get confused that किसके रिस्पेक्ट में बोलना है कि 12 के कि 16 के में, you get confused. So you just place the option. So 12 years old person is, okay, 12 years old person is first to the right, second to the right of 16-year-old person. ठीक है, so second to the right, ये आंसर है इसका. So 12-year-old person is second to the right of 16-year-old person. Last question, who is sitting to the immediate left of one who is 28 years old? 28 years old, 28 years old, यहाँ पे बीट रूट, immediate left पूछा तो बीट रूट वाला होगा, the one who likes बीट रूट is the answer. So this was it set. So इसमें you must have realized the importance of making cases, and this is very important. This is like most probably this set can come. A set like this can come. 99% chances are there that set like this can come. So hope you like the video. Thank you so much.